Hello everyone, I am Kunyang Huang, and today I'm going to introduce you my project, which is a fake audio verification in the age of generative AI. Here is my content. I'm going to divide my speech into 4 parts. And first, let's begin with the background. Imagine that one day you received a phone call from a stranger. Instead of asking you to input your social security number in a specific website, he kept asking you some strange questions. And after hanging up the phone, you maybe wonder what is his purpose. Unfortunately, this person may be a hacker, and your voice may be recorded and will be used as a source to train their AI. After training, the AI can generate some audios based on your voice and their given context, and these generated audios may be used to make a phone call to cheat the victims, which may possibly be your friends and families. This is a very serious problem, since such events happen every year and have already caused a large amount of financial loss. So we need to deal with this problem. In order to solve this problem, we need to understand the methods that hackers use to create fake voice. Here, I provide 3 main methods that the hackers may use, which are the speech synthesis, voice conversion, and replay attacks. And here you can see their performance. Okay, after understand how they work, we can use this architecture, the AST architecture, to deal with this problem. This architecture will first translate audio into spectrograms, and then the spectrogram will be input to the network, and the network will then decide whether an audio is a fake audio or real audio. Here I provide 2 existing models. Both of them are the hottest model on the platform Hugging Face, and I used them to evaluate the dataset AS Face Spoof 2019 LA. And the performance shown that they are pretty good at tell whether a voice is artificial intelligence or not. However, these 2 models have their own drawbacks. First, sometimes their performance was pretty bad when evaluating an human audio. Secondly, the topology of the spoofing method is pretty hard to categorize by the model. And additionally, the length of the speech may affect the performance of the models. To deal with this problem, we design our own project. Our project has been divided into 2 parts, the dataset part and the model part. The dataset part includes all the spoofing method audios, and the context of our dataset is collected from various scenes, and the length of the audio in the dataset is different. And about our model will be trained on our dataset, and the model will be able to classify the set of audios to different groups. You can see there are 4 groups that the model can identify. Since our project is not finished yet, I'm going to introduce you the expectation. In the future, our model may be used to identify the audios is legitimate or not in some systems. For example, the smart home controlling system. If the audio is real, it will allow the legitimate users to control the smart home devices. And if the audio is generated by hacker, which means fake audios, the system will prevent them from accessing. So this is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening. And here are my references.